Hello and welcome guys. Here in this lecture we are going to learn about Python. PIP. What is PIP? PIP is package manager for Python packages or modules if you like. PIP is by default included in 4.3 plus variants of Python. How to check the PIP is already installed on your machine? Just a simple way, open the new, just I am opening the new window and just increasing the size to, so here, and you can just need to write the pip and it will show you all the relevant commands here, and you can check the pip version by this command pip. So now it's showing pip 19.2.3 variant currently installed on our machine. Let's move forward to our lecture. So here by this way we can check all Python packages you can find installed and published Python packages with Python package index. This is PyPI. Here you can find every package of the Python from here side, download and install it as well. So if pip is not installed on your machine, you can download and install it from here, pip from here, and also by this command also you can install the pip here like this way. We can write this pip install pip and it will requirement already satisfied. So in case it is not, then you can install by this command easily. So how to download the packages? Just sorry, here the import this is and print this down. Just I would like to run this command. It will show you this package basically path where it is resides. So if we see here, so this is an opt anaconda 3 lab python 3.7 side packages exist over here. So this is very much simple to download package. Open the terminal, tell pip to install the package, move the Python directory. Now write the command like if you install the camel case, pip install camel case. Let's execute this command here, the camel case. If you see, it is collecting the camel case and now installing this package on our, so now it is successfully installed this package. Now let's see how to use the install packages. Here the import camel case, see camel case text hello world, and c.hum is the built-in function of this camel class. So let's run this code. Then it says say hello world. So it will just only make capital for first character of word, if you see in that here. And how you to remove and uninstall the packages, this is very much simple command like pip uninstall camel case. This command when we will run here, then we can uninstall it successfully. So it's, if you want to remove, they just successfully uninstall. So by this way you can download, install the packages and use them and uninstall them. So thank you. I will be back with next lecture and we will move forward. So bye for now.